Shut up!
I want the iPad! I want the iPad!
Living in the hectic modern world, it's hard to find a moment of peace.
Shut up!
Yes, Mother?
And that's when I discovered the shut up button. I've tried all sorts of things to drown out the noise. Heroin. But nothing's worked quite as well as the shut up button.
Shut up!
The shut up button is a treatment for moderate to severe stressors in your daily life, such as dealing with solicitors.
Have you heard about our Lord and Savior?
Shut up!
Toxic gamers.
Idiot! God, have you ever played this game before? It's called Call of Duty, not Call of Doing Bad at Games.
Shut up!
Fair point, sir. Respect.
That's right, bitch. And political debates.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
He has a point.
With the shut up button, I reclaim my life and feel like a new person.
Nancy, can you please stop throwing the diapers in the corner of the living room? It's a serious health hazard.
Shut up!
I gotta get a divorce.
See? Problem solved. The shut up button acts fast by sending vibrations into your ear canal. The amygdala interprets these vibrations as an act of aggression, switching the brain into a subservient beta cuck mode. Before the shut up button, I used to let my inner thoughts run my life.
Give me the iPad!
They must burn.
They must be cleansed.
Shut up!
And it's also great for keeping you out of trouble.
Ma'am, you're under arrest for child neglect.
Mommy, I'm stuck under a diaper mountain.
Shut up!
All right, you have the right to remain silent.
No, officer. You do.
Shut up!
I am only gonna say this one more time. You
Shut up!
Ask your doctor if the shut up button is right for you.
Absolutely not, okay? That button is not going to do anything for you.
I think I know what's best for my body, man.
You've been impaled by a stop sign.
Shut up!
Oh.
Common side effects may include ringing in the ears, headaches, dizziness, dry mouth, temporary loss of hearing, alienation from your family, thoughts of sewers and slides, short but frequent bursts of diarrhea, becoming Republican, vocal fry, an invisible rash that itches really bad and smells like a Cinnabon, hallucinations of Taze on day, uncontrollable rage whenever you hear the word literally used figuratively. Thanks to the shut up button, I'm getting free room and board for 20 years to life. Thanks, shut up button. To see bloopers from this video, click the join button below to become a member. We just added a new perk that allows you to see sketches a day early. Wowie zowie.
Mom?